Welcome to Special Vids for Special Kids.
Hello, learners. It's Miss Hall here. And guess what? Let's explore.
States of matter. Everything is made of matter. These stones, your shoes, even you and your friends are made of matter. If we could look at matter very, very close, we could see that it is made of tiny bits called molecules. Molecules are the building blocks of matter. It takes a lot of molecules to make up a shoe or a book, and many more to make a person. Molecules stick together in different ways. We call these different ways the states of matter. For example, an ice cube is made of water molecules. The ice cube is the solid state of matter. In the solid state, the molecules are close together and do not move around very much. If you take an ice cube out of the ice tray, does it change shape? No, a solid object keeps its shape as long as it remains at its freezing point. If we add energy like heat, the solid state of matter changes to the liquid state. Like how an ice cube turns into liquid water if you take it out of the freezer and leave it in a warm room. Or how a stick of butter melts when you put it in a hot pan on the stove. If the liquid water is poured from one container to another, does it change shape? Yes, liquid molecules are farther apart than when they are in the solid state, and they move much more. If you add more energy to the liquid, it changes into the gas state of matter. Does the water vapor keep its shape? No, the molecules in the gas state of matter are even farther apart than in the liquid state. And unless they are closed in a container, they will spread out. When energy is taken away from a gas, it changes to liquid, like how water vapor in a cloud changes to water droplets when the vapor is cooled. Here is a bubble with gas in the middle and liquid making the outside of the bubble. Take energy away and we can see the solid ice crystals form as the bubble reaches its freezing point. Other types of matter change into different states too. The molecules that make a wax candle will melt when the candle is lit, and the flame adds energy to the solid wax. Some of the molecules will change into a gas, which is why some candles make more smell when they are burning. When a volcano erupts, we can see the hot lava. Lava is rock that has been heated so much it changes to the liquid state. The melting point of lava is much higher than the melting point of water. An ice cube will melt at over 32 degrees Fahrenheit, which feels cold to us. Lava melts at 2,282 degrees Fahrenheit, which is super hot. Another example of a melting point of a solid object is a horseshoe. When the metal is heated to almost its melting point, you can see here how red hot this horseshoe is. Why do different types of matter have different melting and freezing points? Because they have different densities. Here is a lava lamp with two types of liquid. One of the types is denser than the other, so it sinks down. The bottom kind of liquid has more molecules. The molecules of a cube of solid metal are much closer together than the molecules in a cube of solid ice. There are way more molecules in the cube of metal, even though the cubes are the same size. It takes a lot more energy to separate the metal molecules than the ice water molecules. States of matter.